Hey guys, as you can see, I got the new Assassin's Creed 3 to PS3. Yes, and I'm now, you can see it's not opened. So I'm going to open it. Then you can spread the happiness. Yes. So let's open it and play. Yes. Let's open it. I have an idea. See, we just do this. Ish. So we open it. And as you can see, it's just get opened. And it's the 3. It's not 1 or the 2. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play this all night. So please sub my channel, get me more video views, and yes, sub channel and like. Thanks. Bye.